sorry.
So how's work?
Son, are you going to play a tune for us?
I'm sorry. It is evil that somebody... I can't even finish this video now. Dude.
That's a drop of his drool because he wants the bacon. There's another one. Goose.
Here you go.
Hi.
Brother, ugh.
Hot? Is that why you're laying on the kitchen tile? You're so bad.
I just want to show that my cat would let me pet him with anything.
He meowed. Want to meow again? Meow. Okay, that didn't work.
I hate it when guys slap my ass.